unboxing day. Let's unbox this luxury beauty boss. Hey guys, another boss. I'm not even going to lie that I haven't opened this boss. Let's check what is inside together. I have opened it. This is the summer beauty boss. Like everywhere you go on TikTok, it's just pumping up on your FYP. So this is the bag. Hey, holiday is ready. You have all the space to put your brushes, your lipstick, your lip gloss. Can you see how big it is? Now this is the bag. In short, it's super big, portable, and you can fit your luggage when you're traveling. This is the mini facial cleanser brush. A lot of you put on makeup at night to remove it, or before going to bed to remove it will be so difficult for you guys. You keep on sponging. You don't need to harm your face. This is going to do the job for you. Wow. This is not only cleaning your face, at the same time, it's circulating the blood. Yes, it's giving you a gentle massage. Can you see that? The on and off, guys, the light is not really doing the justice. This is the on and off button. You just press it, and you see the vibration keep brrr. It's going to give you a soft massage on your face. We have this 2 hand pad. You can use it on your head. For me, I'm going to be using it on my hair, using it to pack my hair. You can as well use it on your hand when washing your face. Yes, when doing facial on your face. It can be used in many ways, depends on how you want to be using yours. I'm going to be using it for my hair. I'm going to be leaving the link along with this video. You can just click on your left hand when watching the video. You see a little shopping bag that says buy here. Click on it. It will take you to their shop. Then you can check the prices. All you need to know are there, guys. So let's open this box. Glue, removable glue. You're going to stick this to your hand, you know, take your photo shoot, do everything you want to do with it. Then you can pull it off, reuse it again. I'll be coming back again to make a video on how I make use of all this product. For now, let's just do unboxing so you see what you are going for. OMG. Just a touch. Just a touch. I'm pretty loving this. I am loving this. So we're going to be going for the next step. Let's open this one. This is the latches. 1, 2, and 3. Then you have this little Frico pen here. Let's try it. Woo. Can you see that, guys? After applying your makeup, you just dab to give you that fake wrinkle. Oh my god, can you see that beautiful sweet color of this bag? These are the beautiful flopping brush, guys. If you're in love with good product of brushes, you're not missing way. Can you see how smooth and floppy it is? Can you see how smooth and floppy it is? Can you see that? It's so soft. We've got powder brushes, foundation brushes in here. I'm going to remove it because I have a space for non-used brushes in mine. Makeup drawers. So guys, these are all what you're going to get in the Summer Beauty Boss, and the link to get all this product is just on the left hand side. When you're watching the video, you see the little shopping bag. Click on it. It's going to take you to their shop where you see all the details you need to know about these products. Classicness are what you need as a woman. Can you see that? Can you see that? Wow. Yes, guys, this is the eye pencils that comes with it. Yes, eye pencils. Can you see? You don't need to struggle yourself to be drawing those tiny lines again. This is the auto machine to do that for you. And it's really looking so pretty and so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to try all these ones on my face, as I'm so busy at the moment to try them all. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye.